Hello, welcome to the channel. If you have been a developer for some time now, you have definitely heard of CRA, or what others call Create React App, which is a tool or command that sets up a development environment for single page React apps. Now, CRA was created by a team at Facebook, now known as Meta, but it hasn't been maintained for some time now, and so has become deprecated. In this video, we look at an alternative called Vite, which is a French word for quickly or fast. Vite is a front-end tool for building web apps in a fast manner. It works with templates such as React, you have Svelte, you have Vue, and then Vanilla JS as well. Some of its benefits are its ability to immediately launch the localhost server on demand. It uses hot model replacement (HMR) to recompile the portions of an edited file instead of recompiling the entire file again. This improves the feedback loop during development. Now, Vite also supports TypeScript out of the box, which is a plus for TypeScript developers. To set up Vite, we simply need to type yarn create Vite or npm create Vite within your terminal where you will be having the project. Once you type this, there is a prompt that asks you for the name of the project. In our case, it's online voting system. You also get to select the framework. You have React, you have Vanilla, you have Svelte, Vue. We will be going with React in this video. Under the React framework, we have different variants of it, be it the TypeScript or the JavaScript. And even for Rust developers, you have the Speedy Web Compiler, also known as the SWC, for the project. Now it's done with the setup. Let's open the folder, be it using change directory in the terminal or opening it from the file menu. Now once you open the project, you need to type yarn, which is going to install the initial dependencies needed for the project to work. Well, it can take seconds or minutes depending on the kind of network that you are using. While it installs, let's have a look at the file structure for the Vite project. First of all, we have the .gitignore file, which we find in most projects that have git initialized, and it's a way of blocking files and folders that you don't want to be included in your version control history. You also have the public folder, which holds static assets such as your favicon that does not need the entire app to load before it is shown. The source folder is mostly where the actual coding files go, and you have folders such as the components folder. You have your pages folder inside there, and also the helpers folder. Outside the source folder, we also have the index.html file, which is the root file of the project. It is usually manipulated by the main.jsx file. You also have the app.jsx file, which acts as the root component of the React app. The package.json file holds the dependencies and also the scripts that are needed to run the application. So the app is now done installing the packages that are needed. Then we can type yarn dev to be able to launch the app. Once the app has been launched, you get to see the localhost address within the terminal, which you can copy to open, or just click on it while pressing the control key to open it. And as we can see, everything runs as expected. Let's make a change to the app.jsx file and see what happens. All right, so the change has happened successfully. That's all for now. Kindly subscribe to the channel to get notified on new updates. Drop your comments. We want to know what you think about the video, and share the video as well. See you in the next video.